In this video, today we will going to see how to fix and resolve if your APK file is not installing on your mobile device. There might be several reasons for this. Let's start. First of all, check for the compatibility with your mobile device, operating system and hardware. If it is okay, then another thing is check for enough storage space on your device to install app. After that, you can enable the unknown resource by going into settings. Now in the settings, search for the app management, security, and in a security, go to unknown source installations. While in this, you may find the many browsers you are using. So search for that browsers from which your APK is being downloading. So you need to enable this option for that. Now click on the allow. After that, go back. Now the another option is go to your Play Store. For going to Play Store, select settings. In the settings, go to app management. Click on the app list. Now search for the Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store. And then go to storage usage. Now in this, you need to clear data and clear cache. By following these all steps, your problem might get resolved. Thanks for watching our video. Please do not forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.